Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. Today on the Rusty Toolbox, gonna go through a lot of this old crap, empty out the car, keep on trucking. Let's do it. Giant pile of garbage, and there's really nothing left in here. Dash is out, wheel is loose, and that I'm leaving this harness right here so that I can hook that in when I do my new dash thing. So yeah, now we're just gonna clean all this stuff up. We'll do a vacuum. Pull the rest of this wiring here in the front of the car. And yeah, clean all this stuff up. Then we'll have a, oh, I locked the door. We'll have a chassis, grab chassis. Nice. New day. Yesterday it snowed all day, so I didn't get to the Volvo. Today we're gonna finish stripping it out. Let's do it. All right, it's finally done. The interior is mostly completely stripped. Obviously there's some small stuff. There's like little bits of insulation and things, but the rear seat's gone. Everything's gone. Rear seat belts, headliner's out, left the rearview mirror. But man, that's a beast. That headliner, if you're doing this on your own 240 or other Volvo, I recommend wearing a mask because it's like this fiberglass crap. But yeah, that's a full-on strip job. There's the trunk, and then that goes right into the rest of the car. Look at that. Pretty cool. Now what's next? Gotta get the exhaust just taken out. It's just basically hanging on the exhaust hangers. So we'll take the exhaust out and we'll take all of that metal scrap, all the metal bits, the aluminum bits. We're gonna take that to scrapyard, see if we can get any money for it. Maybe 20 bucks, I don't know. We already made $8 more selling some more plastic bits. I found about 25 more cents in the car as I was tearing it apart. So we are making a lot of profit on this thing. And by a lot, I mean we're probably like $100 up. So we're gonna go scrap that stuff. And while we're out, I'm gonna get a bunch of metal tubing, some box tubing, some regular tubing, some sheet metal, and some aluminum, because we're gonna start making body panels. So we're gonna patch up the rusty holes in the back of the car, and then we are going to basically make some new bumpers with a splitter on the front, and then we're going to design a diffuser for the back. And then maybe while we're out, we'll search and see if we can find a big rear wing to make this thing ridiculous. So that will happen next. And then eventually we'll get a motor. We'll get a motor and a transmission, put that thing in there, you know, get a custom driveline fitted, and then we'll work on suspension. We'll lower it up, put on you know, the wider wheels, you know, we'll widen the stance out, put on the fender flares, and make this thing mean. I'm gonna make it really fun. So that's it. It's all stripped out. It's ready to go full race car. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate it. Make sure you like, subscribe. We'll see you guys on the Rusty Toolbox next time. Peace.